Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you some problems from HSC, which means higher secondary, from trigonometry part. Uh, I hope these problems will help you to understand the topic trigonometry. Here, first problem is if the vertices of the quadrilateral ABCD are respectively A, B, C, D, then we have to show that cos half A plus C plus cos half A B plus D is equal to 0. And second problem, sin A plus B plus C plus sin A plus B plus C plus twice D is equal to 0. First problem, cos half A plus C plus cos half B plus D. Here we can substitute A plus C by 2 pi minus B plus D, because in a quadrilateral we know sum of the four angles is 360 degree, right? So we can write 2 minus, that means 2 pi. Okay, so we can convert this A plus C into 2 pi minus B plus D, and it remains same. Cos half B plus D, it remains same. Now it becomes, if we multiply these two expression, we get pi minus B plus D by 2, and it from here we get it because it will come to second quadrant, right? In second quadrant, for this angle, this cos will fall in second quadrant. So it in second quadrant we know sin cos is negative, that's why it becomes negative. We put a negative sign here, so minus cos B plus D by 2 plus cos B plus D by 2, both cancel, we get a 0. Problem 2, where we get sin A plus B plus C plus sin A plus B plus C plus twice D. We can write A plus B plus C into 2 pi minus D plus sin 2 pi plus D. Here it becomes minus sin D, because for this angle the sine come to fourth quadrant, right? Come to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant we know sine is negative, that's why it becomes negative. Minus sin D plus sin D is equal to 0. Now second problem, here it is the second problem. We have to determine the value of sine n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 4. Okay, here if n is even number and n is equal to twice m, where m is an integer, then we get from here here n becomes twice m. Okay, and for twice m minus 1 to the power twice m, it becomes 1. So sine bracket twice m pi plus pi by 4, so we get sine pi by 4 from this expression. Okay, so it becomes 1 by root 2. And if n is an odd integer, then n is equal to twice m plus 1, where m is an integer, right? Then this expression becomes, here we substitute n by twice m plus 1, so sine twice m plus 1 pi plus minus 1 to the power twice m plus 1 pi by 4. So sine twice m plus 1 pi minus pi by 4, so we get sine pi by 4 here, because and which value of this expression is 1 by root 2. Listen here, how we get why we take sine pi by 4, because if we put any value of m here, we see that it comes to the first quadrant, because for twice pi it comes here, for plus pi by 4 it comes to first quadrant, and similarly, but here it comes to second quadrant. Okay, that's why for first quadrant and second quadrant, value of sign is positive. That's why we put a positive sign here. So if n is an integer, then the magnitude of the given expression is 1 by root 2. Okay, now here is another problem. If theta is pi by 36, then we have to find the value of this expression. Given theta is equal to pi by 36, theta is 180, and we get 5 degree here. Now sin square 3 theta, we have to elaborate this expression. Sin square 3 theta, sin square 4 theta, 5 theta. If we put the value of theta, we get sin square 15, sin square 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Like this we get all the values. Okay, now we have to convert the last expression into sin 15. Okay, so sin square 15 plus bracket sin 90 minus 15 bracket close whole square. Similarly sin square 20, we have to convert this 70 into 20. So like this we we take first, we take one term from the first and take one term from the last, and we have to mark this. Okay, and thus we get this line, and then when we convert this, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta formula, sin square theta cos square theta, and we get 6 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 half. Okay, so when we add this, we get 13 by 2. Okay, now next problem. If theta is equal to pi by 20, then we have to show that cot theta, cot rise 3 theta, cot 5 theta, and cot 19 theta is equal to minus 1. Here given theta is equal to pi by 20, we can write this tan theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, so left hand side is this expression: cot theta, cot 3 theta, cot 5 theta, cot 7 theta, 9 theta, 11 theta, 13 theta, 15 theta, 17 theta, 19 theta. We have to convert this 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. We can convert this 11 to 11 theta to 10 theta plus theta. We can convert 13 theta to 10 theta plus 3 theta. We can convert 15 theta to 10 theta plus 5 theta. Similarly, we can convert all of this, and we get here for 10 theta plus theta we get pi by 2 plus theta. Similarly, for 10 theta plus 3 theta we get pi by 2 plus 3 theta, and thus we get this line. And from this cot theta, we have to convert this into 1 by 10 theta, then 3 theta, then 5 theta, then 7 theta, then 9 theta. And but here we get minus 10 theta for this expression. Why? Because it comes to second quadrant. Okay, for in second quadrant cot is negative, so that's why it becomes negative, minus 10 theta. Okay, so and from this line, if we cancel this 10 theta and 10 theta, and after calculating after cancelling every 10, then we get minus 1. We only minus 1 remains. Okay, this is our right hand side. Okay, and next problem. If tan theta is equal to 5 by 12 and cos theta is positive, then we have to find the value of sin theta plus cos minus theta divided by sec minus theta plus tan theta. Okay, here given tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, since tan theta and cos theta are both positive and theta is on the first quadrant where all ratios will be positive, then in the right angle triangle ABC, AC is equal to root over AB square plus BC square, which is 13. And now this expression sin theta plus cos minus theta sec minus theta plus tan theta, we can put the value of all the ratios, then we get 17 by 13 divided by 18 by 12, and we get from this 34 by 39. Okay, now next problem. Another problem. Here a is a cos x minus b cos y divided by a sin x plus b sin y, and b is equal to tan 54. First part is cosec x minus y is equal to sec x times sec y divided by 10x minus 10y, and second part prove that tan 36 plus 2 tan 18. Third part is cot theta is equal to a, then we have to show that sin theta minus x divided by sin theta plus y is equal to b by a. For first part cosec x minus y, you can convert this 1 by sin x minus y, and for sin x minus y sin a minus b sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, and we can divide by cos x cos y on both sides. In the numerator 1 by cos x cos y, denominator sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. In the numerator we get sec x sec y, and denominator tan x minus tan y. So in total we get cosec x minus y is equal to sec x times sec y divided by tan x minus tan y. Okay, now second part, we are given b is equal to tan 54. Now b minus tan 36, we can substitute b by tan 54 and minus tan 36. For tan 54 we get sin 54 by cos 54 minus sin 36 by cos 36. We got when we do LCM, in the denominator cos 54 cos 36, and numerator we get sin 54 cos 36 minus cos 54 sin 36, and then we write sin a minus b. For this, from this line we can write this line. Okay, sin a minus b, from here we get sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so it becomes sin a minus b, and the denominator is same. Okay, so now we can now we have to multiply 2 by on both numerator and denominator, then we get 2 sin 18 on numerator, and in denominator we get cos 54 plus cos 18. How we get it? We have a formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b. So if 54, we know 54 plus 36, okay, and 54 minus 36, what, 8 1. Okay, so this we got here cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, so cos 19 plus cos 18, and in numerator we get 2 sin 18, in denominator we get cos 19 plus cos 18, and from here we get to tan 18, and in the last line b minus tan 36 equal to 2 tan 18, from, and then b is equal to 2 tan 36 plus 2 tan 18. Okay, third part, here cot theta is equal to a, we can convert cot theta equal to, we can convert cot theta into cos theta by divided by sin theta is equal to a cos x minus b cos y divided by a sin x plus b sin y. Okay, we have to cross multiply this sin theta times a cos x minus b cos y, cos theta times a sin x plus b sin y, then we have to multiply these two expression, a sin theta times cos x, b sin theta cos y, a cos theta sin x, b cos theta sin y, and now we have to bring this term into left hand side, and we have to take a outside in the outside of bracket, then we get sin theta cos x minus cos theta sin x. From here we get a times sin theta minus x, and from here we get b sin theta plus y. From this line we get sin theta minus x divided by sin theta plus y is equal to b by a. Okay, now another two problem. Here we have to find the value of the expression sin x plus 30 plus cos x times cos 90 plus x plus 30. Okay, here we convert 120 into 90 plus 30. Now sin x times sin x plus 30 cos x times it becomes this sign becomes cos, because here multiple 19 times a odd integer. Okay, for odd integer this sign becomes cos. Okay, so cos x plus 30 sin x plus 30. Okay, so we can write cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, so it becomes, we get a cos 30 from here, which becomes root 3 by 2. Now we have to show that 1020 plus 1025 1025 plus 1020 times 1025 is equal to 1. We can write 1045 into 1025 plus 20. 1045 becomes 1, and 10a, here we have to apply 10a plus b, 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a 10b. Now we have to cross multiply this. 1025 plus 1020 is equal to 1 minus 1025 1020. So when we bring this expression into left hand side, we get 1020 plus 1025 plus 1020 times 1025 is equal to 1. Now next, here if alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, then we have to prove this. Okay, since alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4, we have to apply 10 on both sides. Okay, here from this 10a plus b, we can apply 10a plus b formula, 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a 10b, and 10 by 4, pi by 4 becomes 1. Now we have to cross multiply this. 10a plus 10b is equal to 1 minus 10a 10b. So now 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b and plus 1, if we add 2 on both sides, then we get 1 here, and here we get 2. Okay, because this when we bring this 1 here, it becomes minus 1, and after that if we add plus 2 on both sides, then we get plus 1 here. Why we do this? Because we have to do a middle term. We can take common 10 alpha, and then we get 1 plus 10 alpha, and here 1 plus 10 alpha also, and then from that we get 1 plus 10 alpha times 1 plus 10 beta is equal to 2, which is our required expression to prove. Now next problem, if theta plus phi is equal to alpha and tan theta is equal to k tan phi, then we have to prove that sin theta minus phi is equal to k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 sin alpha. Given tan theta is equal to k times tan phi, tan theta becomes sin theta by cos theta is equal to k times sin phi by cos phi. So when we bring this sin phi by cos phi into left hand side, it becomes cos phi by sin phi. So sin theta by cos theta times cos phi by sin phi is equal to k. From here we can write, we have to apply dividendo componendo. Then we get sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi divided by sin theta cos phi times cos theta sin phi, and here we get k minus 1 divided by k plus 1. So this expression here, it becomes sin theta minus phi, and this becomes sin theta plus phi. So sin theta minus phi is equal to k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 is times sin alpha. Last problem, here left hand side is this expression and right hand side is this. So in left hand side, cos 25 minus cos sin 25 divided by cos 25 plus sin 25. We can take cos 25 outside of the bracket, then we get 1 minus sin 25 by cos 25, 1 plus sin 25 by cos 25, and we here we can cancel both cos theta here, then we get 1 minus tan 25, 1 plus tan 25. We can write tan 45 instead of 1, then we get tan 45 minus tan 25, and in the denominator 1 plus tan 45 tan 25. From where we write tan a minus b, this expression we can convert this into tan a minus b. Tan a minus b, from tan a minus b we get tan 20, which is our right hand side. Okay, so that's it. I hope these problems help you to understand the topic trigonometry more easily, and please subscribe my channel and suggest me what problems I should bring you in my next video, and you can suggest me any topic from math. Hope you all the best, and please support me.